This is Fabsil Gold, a silicone-based waterproofing spray for tents, awnings and outdoor gear. My Kampa air awning is a few years old, and a couple of summers ago it started leaking quite heavily through the roof seams. I spoke to Kampa directly and they recommended using this spray. I deflated the awning so I could reach the seams properly and sprayed along the joints. Be sure to follow the instructions on the can, including how far to hold it from the fabric and how long to let it dry. That was 2 years ago, and the awning's been up for around 10 months a year through strong winds, heavy rain, and it's still holding its waterproofing. If you're dealing with a leaky awning, this might be all you need to fix it. You can get this product on Amazon and the reviews are great. I'll put the link to this in the description below. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a like or a follow. It really does make a difference. We also have an app called the Van Life Guidebook, which is free to download on the App Store and Google Play, and all of these videos are inside the Van Life Guidebook app.